Welcome to Mega Auto World. Today we're diving into one of the most legendary fighter jets in aviation history, reborn for the modern era, the F-16 Fighting Falcon 2026 model. Known worldwide as the Viper, the F-16 has been the backbone of countless air forces for decades, and now in 2026, it arrives in a new form that pushes technology, speed, and combat versatility to levels never seen before. This isn't just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of dominance in the skies. The 2026 F-16 Fighting Falcon brings together decades of proven performance with next-generation innovations. At first glance, the aerodynamic design looks sleeker, sharper, and more aggressive. Engineers have optimized the body with advanced lightweight composite materials, reducing drag and improving agility. The result is a jet that maneuvers even tighter, climbs faster, and sustains high G-turns like never before. Its refined airframe also improves stealth capabilities, making it much harder to detect on modern radar systems. Under the hood, or rather under the fuselage, the new engine is where the real magic begins. The upgraded powerplant delivers greater thrust-to-weight ratio, enabling blistering acceleration and speeds exceeding Mach 2 with ease. It's not just about raw power. The fuel efficiency has been significantly improved, allowing for longer missions without sacrificing speed or performance. In modern warfare, range and endurance are critical, and the 2026 model delivers exactly that. The cockpit has been completely reimagined with the latest in digital avionics. Pilots now sit inside a high-tech command center featuring panoramic touchscreen displays, augmented reality helmet systems, and AI-assisted flight controls. The jet's AI co-pilot helps monitor threats, optimize flight paths, and even suggest tactical maneuvers in the heat of battle. This means pilots can focus more on decision-making rather than juggling countless controls. The glass cockpit of the 2026 F-16 represents the future of human-machine collaboration in aerial combat. Weapon systems have also taken a massive leap forward. The Fighting Falcon now integrates hypersonic missile capabilities, precision laser-guided munitions, and next-generation electronic warfare systems. It's equipped with advanced targeting pods that allow engagement of both aerial and ground threats with pinpoint accuracy, day or night. Additionally, the 2026 model is fully compatible with drone-wingman systems, allowing the F-16 to command and coordinate with unmanned aircraft in real time, extending its strike reach and survivability. Defense is just as important as offense, and the new F-16 doesn't disappoint. Advanced stealth coatings, radar-absorbing materials, and electronic countermeasure suites ensure maximum survivability in contested airspace. With infrared suppression systems and smart decoys, this fighter can evade enemy missiles with unparalleled efficiency. What truly makes the 2026 Fighting Falcon special is its balance of cost-effectiveness and capability. Unlike other 5th and 6th generation fighters that come with enormous price tags, the F-16 continues to offer incredible performance at a fraction of the cost. This makes it attractive not only to superpowers but also to smaller nations looking to strengthen their air forces without breaking their budgets. The F-16 has always been more than just a fighter jet. It's a legend, a warrior, and a trusted companion of pilots across the globe. Now, with the 2026 model, it steps boldly into the future, proving once again why the Fighting Falcon remains one of the most respected aircraft in history. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the all-new F-16 Fighting Falcon 2026, make sure to subscribe to Mega Auto World for more exciting reviews of the world's most powerful machines.